All right, good morning, everyone. It is 8:37 in the morning on the 23rd of April, 2021, and this is my morning strategy session. So, SKLZ is popping up on the large cap scanner again today. I traded this one yesterday for a little bit of a loss. Well, maybe I'll take another swing at it. We'll see what happens. My levels are 1706 and 1686 this morning. I'll probably go for another 300 shares. I'll put 100 at 1706, 100 in the middle, and then 100 at 1686. See if we can get a bump in price from there. The close yesterday was at 1662. It might come all the way back to test that. So yeah, we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Maybe maybe I'll put a level there too. Let's see. Closes at 1663, looks like. Perhaps I'll even put an order in for shares right there. I'll have to see how it behaves. All right. It's about $1 off from this yesterday's close right now. So, yeah, we'll see what's going on. SKX getting a nice bump this morning. It's up 10% pre-market. If I get an opportunity between $47.21 and $46.70, I will take it. And also, I'm going to keep an eye on this one for support. It might find support in this post-market price range, somewhere around $48 or so. So, I'm just going to have to play it by ear. It depends on like if I'm watching it at the time and so forth. So, next up is Snap. Now on Snap, I have 3 price levels on here. 2 are support and 1 is resistance. I might consider shorting at this resistance level of $62.17 for an initial push down, and then if before 10:30, if it puts in a pattern where it goes above the price, see if I can get it on the daily a little bit more. Yeah, it's a little bit easier to see here on the daily. So if it pushes above 62.17, tests and comes back up, then that'll be an entry also. As of right now, I think it's going to act 62.17. If it makes it that far, will act as resistance. The other 2 prices here, of course, will be support. So if it comes down to 58.67, I'll look for an entry, or 56.14, I'll look for an entry. And then the small cap momentum today, I have SYPR. I have not been trading small cap momentum very much recently. In fact, in the past year, because they just haven't been working out. You can see actually back here, there was some kind of news, and actually I had levels on this already this morning. These are the levels that I had on it, in fact, from, what's this, February 23rd of 2021. I don't remember trading this, so I don't think that, I didn't trade it before. So today it's momentum if it gives me the 1 minute setup where I get a 1 minute candle that shows momentum over the previous 1 minute candle with volume and so forth, price action, then I will jump into it for a quick trade, looking for at least 20 cents on momentum plays. Then let's see, I haven't actually pulled them up yet. The SPY and then the VIX. Let me pull these forward here. VIX. So I really like to keep an eye on the VIX more than anything. And you can see here, the VIX right now is back into the gap. Let's see, let me get rid of this 19.2. 19.2 was a resistance level. And so the gap, of course, is all the way from back here in late February of 2020 when, the cerveza sickness caused major disruption in the markets. And so back here you can see this gap right here. This is the day that this was the demarcation of everything going south in the markets. And then, pulling forward on the daily here, you can see the top of the gap. It came close here, ran back up, came close again, and then dipped down into the top of the gap and ran back up, and then kind of held above for a while, ran back up, came back down into the gap, and then ran back up a little bit, and then tested the top of the gap for a while, ran back up, and now it's dipping. It dipped further into the gap here, and then further into the gap, and then below the gap. So now it's back above the bottom of the gap, and I imagine it's possible this thing could run up again, which would put pressure. It's the fear index, which would put pressure on the indexes and so forth. So I'm willing to play against these two gaps. This would be an opportunity. I think this is going to be episodic and non-trending, a rise. If we get a rise in the VIX, it'll be episodic and non-trending. So I prefer not to short the market on this signal because I'm bullish the market in general and bearish on the VIX. So if I get a test of 21.9, then I'll be looking for an opportunity, or a test of 22 even, then I'll be looking for an opportunity to be long, probably SPY contracts or IWM contracts. It just depends. So that's pretty much what's going on for the day today. So good luck out there today. Keep your risk tight. Click like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, and I will see you at the recap. I'm out.